Here's how to fix Steam Friends or Chat not working on your PC. Step 1. Reset Steam network settings. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Open the Downloads section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. After restarting, open Steam settings again. Click Downloads. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely. Then reopen Steam. Resetting Steam's network configuration forces Steam to reconnect to friends and chat servers. Step 2. Run Steam as administrator. If Friends or Chat is still not working, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator ensures Steam can properly access chat and social features. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If the issue continues, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes background components required for Friends and Chat to function properly. After completing these steps, Steam Friends and Chat should start working normally again. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.